Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the prediction of your 5th April 2025 IELTS exam. Yes, this is the prediction for your listening, reading and writing exam, and also this prediction belongs to all the paper-based IELTS exam students as well as the computer-based IELTS exam students. So if you are looking for the prediction and what your exam looks like, so please watch this video till end. And also, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. Yes, and also if you need any tips, any guidance for your job interview, then again we are here to help you out for that too. But again, the condition is only you need to subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, and like this video. And also, if you are new on this channel, also click on the subscribe and like button. Yeah, and now let's get started. But before that, if you are new, please don't forget to like. And also, let's start with the listening. So listening, if we talk about your part 1, is always Phillips. Phillips is going to be easy to moderate, and your part 2, multiple choice question answers and map, is also going to be easy. So many students, they ask me about the question about what is the meaning of easy to moderate. So easy to moderate means when you are confused, one part is easy, another part is different. One line is saying something and another line is also confused you with some other tricks or vocabulary, or with some other type of, like, the way you can not expect it in the preparation wise. So please watch that all the things which you always see, like, okay, you prepared, but again this is something different which you did not expect. Like this way it is kind of a moderate, like vocabulary wise, or your vocab is different and your paraphrases, or sometimes you feel like, oh, the preparation wasn't like that, but again when you see, that is a little bit different, right, than that. So part 2 is multiple choice question and the map. Map is also easy. You can easily find and recognize the visuals, and then you can also add that here in exam. And also, now let's get the next one is part 3, multiple choice question answers and match the information. So this part is also going to be easy, and part 4 is Phillips, is also going to be easy to moderate. So overall, if we talk about this exam, will be easy to moderate, means you need to practice. All right, let's go to the next, our reading part. So if we are talking about the reading, passage 1 is always true false, not given, sentence completion. So this part, passage 1, is going to be easy to moderate, because students sometimes they are confused. They will be confused definitely in the true false section, because if your one line says this is the right statement, and the other line will definitely confuse you with the some paraphrases or vocabulary words. So please pay attention to your vocabulary, please pay attention to your preparation of the true false section and sentence completion section, because you might be confused in the vocabulary wise. So please watch my videos where I always put that all the vocabulary side. So vocabulary means like topic related vocabulary. It's not, I know it's a vast vocabulary part, but again, if you prepare your vocabulary according to your topic, then definitely it will be more easier for you to prepare your exam. So passage 2, let's move to the passage 2. So passage 2 is always be list of the headings, which part contains the following information. So this part is going to be easy, so because it will be easier for you to find the heading very first, and then it will be easier for you to find that which paragraph contains the information, because it will be easy. So passage 3 is going to be yes, no, matching and summary completion. So here this part is might be confused you with the matching summary completion statement, so it's going to be tricky. I'm not saying that it will be hard for you, but it is going to be tricky, because as the confusion might be makes you a little bit trickier for this section, like if you find like some parts are okay, you know about this, and then another words, another lines, you can say that, oh, this part is okay, we read in the previous line this and we heard that this, but in this line it says this. So you need to be very pay attention when you are preparing your reading exam. If you need the material, then definitely send the comment in the comment section. We will definitely help you out. And if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the answers of your questions after the exam. If you will send me 1 or 2 or 3 question or answers what you wrote, if you remember, then I will give you the complete answer key for that, because students, the way I just now uploading the answers key only on request, because now in these days, as you see, there's many computer based IELTS exam, and many exams are paper based, right? Paper based is very easy, but computer based, because every other hour happens. So if I upload the answer key, then it's definitely be the part of some of the exam. But again, if you give me the 2 or 3 or 4, then I can grab all the answers right of that exam which you gave. Okay, so in that way, in other words, I can say, if your exam, if you remember 1 or 2 like topics or answers, then if you can send me in the comment section or to the email ID, then I will give you a whole answer key of that exam. Okay, so this is reading and listening, okay, both side. So overall, if we talk about your reading exam, it's going to be easy to moderate. All right, moving forward to the writing section. So writing section is again one of the trickiest part, where students always confused, but again, I'm here to give you the writing prediction. But please wait for my another video, because in my next video I'll give you very close prediction with the topics also. Please wait for that. I will definitely upload that video like maybe tomorrow or maybe after next day. So this is the first video. I will send you the next video also. There you can see the topics also, what type of topic you can have it in your exam. Very close prediction of your IELTS exam. Oh, now moving forward to the writing section. So writing here is a line, table, process, combination and comparisons, bar and pipe. Please prepare all these are very important. If you need my help, then I already uploaded the structure of your bar exam. So in there, so for your task 1 exam, so there you can only there you can have that the structure, and you can put the values from the exam. So in that way you can have your answers ready. Okay, and with good vocab and good answer, good vocabulary and good paraphrases and good like kind of a vocab words. All right, and synonyms also. Okay, so task 2, if we talk about task 2, so task 2 is always be education, social issues, AI is very important topic these days. Please don't forget to prepare this. If you need my help, just let me know, I will help you out with that. But this is a very important topic for AI. Different type of topics they can ask you about, how AI is helpful in the hospitals, how AI helpful in the offices, how AI helps for the job, and how, like, these kind of topics you definitely need prepare. And then again, this is a topic for important for your speaking also. And now technology is also one of the, how AI is important, and the combination of AI and technology together. And now animals is another very important topic, because now in these days people are also very big fan of the pets, like dogs, cats, and also sometimes when they are like sometimes if you see that you cannot find the birds a lot, so what is a major issue happens, so why you cannot see the birds? Is there like birds like population are compressing these days, or weather or global warming affecting them? So these type of questions, right, is very important. Children is important. Environment is a global change, global warming, that is very important. And then business, entertainment, and also the type That is very important. Type is very, very important. Please, advantages and disadvantages, your opinion, what do you think about that? And then advantage, agree and disagree. So these all are very important for your writing task. So guys, this is a prediction for your 5th April 2025 IELTS exam. So please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to click on the bell button, so in that way you can see my next very soon. I will upload the very close prediction of your 5th April 2025 IELTS exam. There I will upload the topics of your IELTS exam. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. And also, if someone is looking for the English speaking interview preparations, I'm here to help them out too. Please recommend this IELTS wisdom, British styles wisdom to them also. I'm always here to help them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Best of luck for your IELTS exam. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.